Okay, so for a more detailed approach, as you can see, we're given a different storyboard, and this time it has literally got a story to it, and within that you can actually see that there's the text underneath. So this just emphasises really what the character is doing, how it's moving, and what's happening within each section. So, what's very interesting also is the fact that the character has expressions, and expressions are really quite vital in terms of making a character have emotion, and especially for this because obviously there's not going to be lots of movement, so we need to use expressions in a way to emotionally attach ourselves with the character, with the panda. The other interesting aspect from the storyboard is the camera angles and what's happening within the scenes itself. So it kind of did give us a flavour of what to expect. And following on, as you can see, the other parts of the storyboard, the pandas swimming within the water, and obviously the water becomes quite dirty, um, not particularly nice for the panda. So the panda then is exploded into the air and lands on the planet. And to actually finish the final animation, the strapline is "Please stop abusing it." The other thing to mention with the panda is we didn't want it to actually move like a panda or act like a panda. We wanted it to be more of a human character um, in this case. So obviously pandas swimming, perhaps not, not quite sure. But yeah, obviously in this case it's a little bit more on the human side. In terms of the facial expressions, the illustrators did provide us with a set of expressions, and as you can see, there's a variety of them. Everything from being happy to being sad, to being worried, to being surprised, smiley, and blinking. So there's quite a range there that we could play around with and use as texture maps, which would obviously once again emphasise the emotion of the character.